Good day guys. For this video guys, I want to share it with you the difference between small pilot jet and big main jet. The first clip, we have the jet combination of 60 pilot and 130 main jet. So what's the clip guys? As you can see guys, it takes almost 6 seconds to set in proper idle. So the next clip we change the pilot jet to 68 and same main jet. So watch the video guys. As what you see guys, after we change the pilot to the bigger one, it take only 2 seconds to reach on its proper idle. So remember guys, by doing this, please do it gradually until you hit the perfect sitting on your carburetor. So thank you for watching this video guys, and follow for more. See ya!